Welcome to my channel Code View and Talk. Today in this video I'll be discussing a very amazing things which I have created using AI. Like you can see this website on my screen. This website which I have created completely with the help of AI. So I'll be discussing about this. So this is nothing but this is a finance tracker which will track your finances on weekly basis, monthly basis. So you can add that your expenses here and you can get that monthly and weekly and what category you have made that expense. So the amazing thing is here is this website which you are seeing is completely built by the AI. So I have used some AI to make this website. Or so I'll just going through this website here. This is finance tracker which will manage your expense efficiently. So here you see we have a tab called overview, then we have a weekly, monthly and categories. And then we have this section for add new expenses, the amount, select category, which category you have made that expense, what date you have made that expense, you can select and then you can add. Then here we have this weekly expenses, it is showing. Then it is showing monthly expenses, total number of transactions which we have done and the average of the day. So this is amazing. And I'll just show you how to add new expenses. So if you click this button, which is you see dynamically it is working also. So when I click this add button, you can add the description. Let's say I have paid Wi-Fi bill amount was, let's say, 200. I'll select the category, let's say it's bill, and I can select that date. Let's say I have paid for 3rd and then add. So here you see it got added 10 to 10 and the transaction also got changed. Earlier there were 2 transactions, now it is 3, and this is the average. So this was amazing to make this website with the help of AI. uh, so if you also want like how can we make the website like this with the help of AI, you can connect with me. I'll add that link in a description section from which you can connect with me. I'm enjoying using these AI tools to make stuff like this, and if you are also interested, you can check it out, that link in the description through which we can connect and we can leverage that AI tools. Thank you.